All right, what is going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we are here past Pineview Reservoir on the South Fork of the Ogden River. I've caught some really big trout out of here. Biggest trout I've caught in Utah actually came out of here this year earlier. It was a 19-inch brown. It was awesome. Took a cicada. We're gonna try to replicate that here today. We're here, maybe not necessarily for numbers, but kind of in search of a giant. Stick with it. Let's see if we can make it happen. This first spot looks absolutely beautiful. There's a sweet cut underneath this tree here. There's got to be some fish stacked up in there. And right now I got a hopper dropper, like I always do. Got a zebra midge on the bottom. Saw some betas, or not betas. Yeah, betas flying around. So let's see if we can get this done. Word. Oh yeah, this is such a beautiful river. I mean, it's hard to deny how pretty this place is. In the fall too. I mean, come on, it's got to be a recipe for success or something, right? You would think. Now, I tried filming a video here once before, and I didn't catch anything. It was after I caught that big fish earlier this year. I didn't catch squat. And a matter of fact, I fell in, cracked my phone, water damage, had to get a new phone. Had a whole video actually filmed, didn't catch anything, so I wasn't super disappointed that I wasn't able to make it, but yeah. Got a caddis casing with the homeboy in there. Oh yeah, nice and green. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I'm going with the caddis. Switching. Okay, boom, rolling. Got the caddis on there. If you guys haven't checked out my top 5 flies, made a whole video on it. Ranks my top 5 nymphs, that is. And caddis is in fact on there. Check it out to see where I think it deserves a ranking. I love it. It gets the job done really well. There's really easy fly to imitate. So one thing I will say about these trout in the South Fork here is they camouflage. Like their spots are just hit different here. It's like, if you think it's hard to see a trout in Ogden, this is utterly impossible. Like, you won't see them until they're, oh no, first cast. I might have gotten out of it, I don't know. Wasn't great. First cast getting stuck in, oh no. Stuck in a bush. Still got the fly, which is good, because him running low, the old caddis is chilling. That was probably bottom, but got a tree bottom like a, oh, big fish just came up and looked at the hopper and I got rejected. Holy sweet Mary and Joseph. Holy crap. That was a huge flash. Wow. Might be tripping, but I don't think I'm tripping. Oh, took the hopper. Shoot. Well, does he want it again? We will never know. Wow. Okay, hopper take. So I'm thinking I totally did get rejected. It was a rejection and then a take, so, you know, it's something. Shoot. I knew that they were players. I just didn't finish. Okay, I'm in a good spot. I feel good. I feel confident. Rise was kind of on this outside seam here. See if there's one of those up there still hungry or not. Just get some reps through here, eh? Quick up downs, rep, yups, rep, 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 shoot. There he is. Let's go. Little brown. Dude, these fish have big fish genes. You knew it. Let's go, guys. New river, new fish. Might be tiny. Said we were going for big ones, but we'll take that all day. That fish is built absolutely different. Look at that camera. Yes, sir. Little guy. He's back. Let's go. We're not getting skunked out here today. Just rolling, baby. Okay. I knew they were in there. There's probably a couple more in there, a couple little dudes. I keep ripping through here because I had one take the whole hopper, so I'm gonna put my faith in this rig and hopefully things start heating up here. Honestly thought they were gonna take the hopper before I got a take on the nymph, but definitely not. Disappointed in a fish. Yep. So there's one, there's two, or there's two, there's 10. That's what I always like to say. This little motto my dad and I were using on the bighorn. We were a little skeptical on the fish numbers, or even if there were fish in a certain hole, we'd say, you know, we see one, there's definitely two, and if there's two, there's 10. Which might not necessarily be true. Where there's two, there might only be two, but makes you feel better. Okay, well, I know for a fact there's a fish in this hole right here. But obviously he doesn't want what I'm putting in his face. So that could be a couple things. That could be straight up fly. He's not looking for the fly that I'm putting in front of his face, which is fine. That's what you bring a bunch for. It could be depth. My dropper might be too shallow. It looks actually relatively deep there, and I think I could lengthen this a little anyway. And an ant. Could be a combination of both of those things. So I'm gonna switch up the fly here. Had the caddis pupa on. Really wasn't getting the job done. I'm gonna fish a PMD, not PMD, just a pheasant tail, just a bead head. Well, I hope that didn't completely screw up my phone, but you guys went for a swim there, eh? I think if anything that's gonna be messed up, it'll be the portable charger, but right in here is where this fish is, and I switch flies. I'm gonna give a crack at it. If it doesn't work, we're gonna move spots, just upriver, probably a mile. So let's give it a shot. What I'm gonna do here, pop you guys off my chest, put you in the water, and see if I can get a glimpse with the old GoPro. So that'd be kind of cool. Alright guys, well, we're not going to bring the tripod with us right now. My phone has fallen in the water twice now. We're just going to kind of work with the GoPro, which is no problem because that gets just perfectly fine footage. And we've got a shelf right here actually. It just dumps into nothing right here, which is sick. So hopefully there's a toad right here.
Oh, I had one. I just pulled it right out of his mouth. It was tiny, but again, a fish nonetheless. There's a little sculpin, huh? Interesting. Wow. Absolutely beautiful scene here. Oh man, I got a strike. I missed him. Shoot, man. Feeling really good. I knew there was gonna be fish in here, and oh man, the fish that took it, I see it. I see it. It's right there. I just don't see him wanting it again. If he's down, I think I spooked him. Sucks, but it is what it is. Oh man, I blew it right in this spot. Some really good drifts. There he is. Shoot. Keep moving up. That's all you can do. Keep your head up, Brody. I've had too many good presentations for me not to be hooked up at least once here, so. Here we go. Oh boy. This might be the best water I've seen all day up here. Oh my God, there's a monster in there. Oh my God. Giant. There's a beefy guy in there. Switch it up. See if you want something different. Flies have been switched. I don't know. We just gotta hope these guys are hungry in there, I guess. I don't know. No way. No way. Let's go, boys. First cast, new fly. Made all the difference. Let's go. Let's go. Just a stout little female. Oh, wow. Barely hooked, top of the mouth here. Look at that, boys. Absolute beauty. She's got some tiger in her, it looks like. Let's get her back. Let's go. All right, guys, we're out of here. We're done. We are off to go home. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this one. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you got some tips and tricks, leave a comment. We'll catch you in the next one. Later.